Gift available in your country now. Welcome to your one-stop destination for all your gift needs. Available at... We're here to introduce you to a plethora of gift options tailored to your country. From Amazon, Roblox, and PayPal gift cards, to the latest iPhone 15 giveaways, we have something for everyone. Stay tuned to discover more about these exciting gift options at... Let's dive into the world of gifts available on your doorstep at... Imagine the possibilities with an Amazon gift card, a treasure trove that unlocks a myriad of products from books to electronics, clothes to home essentials, and so much more. Now let's shift gears and venture into the realm of gaming. Roblox gift cards are a gamer's delight, offering access to a universe of games and experiences. They are not just cards, but keys to endless fun and creativity. Next, we have PayPal gift cards. They are the epitome of flexibility, allowing you to shop from countless online stores across the globe. It's like having a digital passport to the world of e-commerce. And finally, let's talk about the iPhone 15 giveaway. It's not just a phone, it's a piece of cutting-edge technology that can be yours. The excitement, the anticipation of possibly winning, it's all part of the gift experience at... These are just a few of the myriad of gifts available for you. A world of gifts awaits you at... Imagine the thrill of a new Amazon purchase, or the delight of a Roblox adventure, all made possible with the swipe of a gift card. Visualize the satisfaction of a secure PayPal transaction, or the sheer joy of holding an iPhone 15 in your hand. These are not mere gifts, they are experiences, memories waiting to be created. Each one offers a different kind of excitement, a variety that caters to every individual's preference. And remember, the best gift is the one that brings joy. So why wait? Explore these options and more at... Thank you for joining us, and happy gift hunting at...